It's time for the word. Come on, somebody. I will give thanks to the Lord with my whole heart. I will recount all of your wonderful deeds. Psalms 9:1. Be blessed. Hi, beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to share some tips on different ways that can help you to achieve effortless chic style. So if you're ready, let's hop right into it. Starting with makeup and hair. When it comes to looking chic, I find it very important to wear lightweight makeup. My go-to everyday makeup are soft glam. Soft glam makeup is your idea of radiance, neutral and diffused makeup. It involves wholesome glowing skin, glossy lips, or a matte lip, depending on your preference. I love matte lips. Soft touch up to the brows, warm eyes. Everything from conceal to bronzer to contour should be seamless, blended into the skin for a settle effect that's barely there. Putting your hair in a ponytail is one way to look chic without having to do too much. When it comes to accessories, I love keeping it simple. I love the phrase less is more. Funny thing is, I never really thought of that phrase until I turned the age that I am. We're not saying the age though. The concept of less is more is based on the value of simplicity. And by having less, you can actually create more with just those items. Wearing a black watch, silver, or a brown watch can actually make an outfit look chic without even trying. You also can include necklace. I find necklace to be one of my go-to, and I love wearing earrings that suit my face, such as hoop studs and hoops. Even when I layer with my necklace, the not too much on the neck makes everything look a lot more chic, if you ask me. I'm just saying. And it's very important for you to focus on the things that matters. For me, the things that matters are my watch, my ring, and my necklace. Now, if you wear a ring, sis, you have to get your nails done, okay? You can't wear rings or your nails aren't done. I'm just saying. Now, let me tell you about Pinterest. If you do not know anything about Pinterest, I didn't either, okay? I didn't either. I recently started to use Pinterest and I am in love. Pinterest is a social network where people can find inspiration, ideas for their interests and hobbies. Every idea is represented by a pin, which is an image that is searched and saved by a Pinterest user. So if you're the type of person that likes fashion or you like home decor, we talk about fashion here, so we're going to use a fashion as an example. You're having trouble to figure out how to dress an item. Pinterest is a great place for you to look at when it comes to getting inspirations. I like to look at neutral colors. Well, not look at, but I like to think of neutral colors as something that doesn't compete with any other colors, meaning it can blend in and pair with almost anything. That's what makes them such a great wardrobe staple, because you can mix and match neutral colors together and not worry about anything clashing. Looking chic is all about picking the right things and working with things that you already have. And one thing I feel like everyone should have, if you want to look chic and look like a woman of, of honor. Does that make sense? You know what? Okay, listen. Let me really give you the tea when it comes to looking chic. If you have these two items in your closet, sis, bravo, you on the right track. And that is an iron and a steamer. It's easy when you understand steamers versus iron and how they work to improve clothing or household items. An iron is a small appliance. When heated, is used to press clothes to remove creases. A steamer is a device used for quickly removing wrinkles from garments and fabrics with the use of high temperature and steam. I like to use a steamer when I have an item that I can't iron. I can just steam it if it's wrinkled, and I look good, I look chic, and I look done. I don't know. I don't know. Anywho, if you have those two things in your closet, sis, you are on the right track. Wait, no. No, you're not. Do you have a lint roller? Roll it. Get it? Roll it. No, let me stop. Having a lint roller is a must when it comes to looking chic. These things, just look at it. Just look at it, okay? A lint roller will play its part, okay? You must have a lint roller. These things are very much needed. I see a lot of people when they wear their items, you can see little lint, whatever it is, dog hair, animal hair on their suits, and it's just like, that's just disgusting. Get you a lint roller. It doesn't cost much. It will do the job, I promise you. Okay, definitely much needed, and then you'll probably be on the right track. When it comes to looking chic and like really elevating your style, your shoes matters. Okay, stay with me. My shoes matters. Okay, when I'm wearing heels, whether it's stilettos, boots, just some nice pumps, I like to stick with the basic colors like red. Red is normally my go-to colors if I'm wearing something like a satin dress, a black blazer, or an all black fit. I use red as a pop, okay, to the feet, because my feet matters. Or I'll go with nude. Nude is another color that I like to stick with because it's part of like my neutrals. And nude is one of those colors that goes well with anything. It doesn't clash with anything. It just makes every outfit look so good, okay? And then there's your blacks. Your blacks are meant to be in your closet, okay? Black boots, black stilettos, black pumps, they're definitely meant to be part of your rotation. Now, if your shoes really matter, because we're all about our shoes mattering, you would definitely add a shoe polish into your closet. What is a shoe polish, you're probably asking? I got the answer. A shoe polish is that thing right there that I'm using to polish my shoes. It is a wax paste, cream, or liquid used to polish and shine leather shoes or boots, basically. And it makes your look so lookable. If you polish your shoes, I promise you will not be disappointed, because the way you're going to be looking, you're going to be looking like somebody's rich auntie, okay? It goes really well with just about any outfit for any occasion. So definitely go purchase you some shoe polish. You will not be disappointed. You will thank me later, basically. Well, that's about it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Afi Elizabeth. I help women to expand and develop a wardrobe that promotes their social and public image. How do I do that? Well, that's easy. By assessing their personality, career goals, and body type. As a fashion consultant, I recommend clothes, accessory choices that enhance your appearance and boost your confidence. So yeah, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow me on all my social media. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless you guys. Bye.